Oh, your mercy never fails me. All my days I've been held in your hands. From the moment that I wake up until I lay my head, I will sing of the goodness of God. All my life you have been faithful. All my life you have been so, so good. With every breath that I am able, I will sing of the goodness of God. I love your voice. You have led me through the fire. In darkness night, you are close like no other. I've known you like a father. I've known you as a friend. I have lived in the goodness of God. Yes, Lord. Thank you, Lord, for this amazing day, as amazing as you are.